Hey y'all, welcome to 2023, and as y'all can see, I am bringing in the new year doing a vision board. I had did a digital one for my cell phone, and now this is just the larger version that I really get to look at every single day in my bedroom and everything else. So right here, I'm just trying to see where I'm going to place everything at and get ready to glue it down. If you're wondering where I got my pictures from, I was on TikTok scrolling and I seen a girl do a virtual one or a digital one as well, and she went to Pinterest and got all her pictures. So I already had the Pinterest app, so what I did was just make a new account, and I got all of my pictures except for the one of me and the check from Pinterest. Trying to place them out and see where I want them to go exactly and how I want it to look is the most hardest part ever, because it was real tedious. I had to cut the paper down. Mind you, I have two paper cutters. You see the one right there on the floor. But I didn't use that. I ended up using scissors and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm picking up the scissors and cutting papers and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't use the cutter. It would have been way faster, but I used scissors instead. But just trying to place it to see where I want everything to go and how I want my vision board to look is the longest part that you're going to do. But once you get everything placed out and laid out, then the glue part comes into play. Now the fun part begins, and I'm gluing everything down. For some reason, I don't know, even when I did the Elmer's glue, it has a hard time in sticking to the glitter. So I had to go in and put more glitter and more glue and everything else. And instead of me getting the plain white boards, I always end up getting these from Dollar General. They're like $1 and some change a piece. But I think for my next vision board, I'm just going to get the plain white one, because gluing these papers to the glitter It don't be staying, child. And it ain't I don't know if it was because this is Staple Brands glue, but I don't know. It gave me a run for my money. I'm not gonna lie. It gave me a run for my money, sure. So around this time, it was like 11 o'clock, maybe 11:30. I kept looking up at the time because I really wanted to catch the ball dropping. One year I'm gonna get there. As a New Yorker, that is on my bucket list. We don't do that stuff like the tourists do that. That's a touristy thing, but it's really on my bucket list to make it to Times Square one year and watch the ball drop. I just don't want to stand there for hours. Like, that's just not what I want to do. So yeah, one year I'm going to figure it out. But I'm just gluing everything down, so I'm going to shut up and let y'all continue watch me put my vision board together for 2023. Happy New Year, guys.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself. Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving.